Hello everyone. Today we went out into a large open field surrounded by greenery, plants and crops. The scenery was beautiful, but suddenly something catch my attention and stopped me in my tracks. Hiding near the roots of one of the plants was a small puppy. His eyes were filled with fear and hunger. Who knows how long he had been there, abandoned, alone, and hopeless. It had to realize how heartless we humans can become, living innocent animals in such remote place. No food, no water, and no shelter. I slowly approached him. He looked nervous, but I gently picked him up and held him in my arms. As I carried him, he began to feel safe. I brought him a little further to a cleaner spot and placed a bowl of milk in front of him. He immediately started drinking. It was clear how hungry he was. I sat beside him, watching him closely. He looked at me with trust in his eyes. Maybe for the first time in his life, I gently stroked him, clicked a few pictures with him, and those moments made me feel a deep connection. His grateful eyes touched my heart. At first, I thought he was the only one out there, but after a few minutes, as I looked around more carefully, I noticed another puppy sitting across a small dry canal all by himself. He looked just as helpless, waiting for someone to notice him. But there was a gap between us, this little canal, which I would have to jump across. Before I attempt that, I spent a few more minutes with the first pup. I also gave him soaked bread, which happily ate. His body was weak, but I could already see a spark of life returning to his eyes. I wanted to give him as much comfort as possible before moving on to the next. Then I knew it was time to rescue the second puppy. I walked up to the edge of the canal. It was a risky jump, but I knew if I did not help him today, he might not survive another night. I gathered my courage, made the jump, and slowly approached him. At first, he tried to run away in fear, but I calmly and gently caught him. Soon he began to settle down, sensing I was there to help. I brought him back to the same spot where the first puppy was. As soon as I placed a bowl of milk in front of them, both rushed toward it, but because they were so hungry, they started fighting over it. One feared the other would drink it all. I quickly stepped in, separated them gently, and provided milk in separate bowls. I even poured me more milk to ensure neither of them went hungry. If you liked this video, please consider subscribing to our YouTube channel. Your support gives us the motivation to help more animals in need. Don't forget to like, share, and leave your thoughts in the comments. Thank you, everyone.